Bestie, Trina here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is one that I'm super excited about filming. I know I say that about all my videos, but I am super excited about this one. This is one that I have not done in quite some time, so I had to bring her back, honey. And to be honest with you, they were just piling up, but I had to bring her back, and I'm so excited to film that for you guys. And that is a Ipsy bag video. Yes, girl, Ipsy. Yes, I still do get my Ipsy subscriptions. If you're not aware what Ipsy is, it is a beauty monthly subscription. I believe it is $10, and now they have the Glam Bag Plus, which is I think $25, but I am with the Ipsy Glam Bag. I get that every month, and you receive, what it is that you receive 5 full size to sample size products, and basically you go on there, you fill out a questionnaire, and you pretty much, they ask you like your skin color, your complexion or whatever. They ask you what type of skin you have and things like that, all that stuff. You fill that out, and every month Ipsy will pull out 5 products that they think will help you, or you know, you would like, and they send them to you. So I absolutely love my Ipsy subscription, and they have been truly good to me, because the stuff they send me, honey, yes mama, I use it, baby. Yes, I do. So I wanted to show you what is in my month, this month's January Ipsy subscription. Also, happy new year, y'all. Hey, we made it to 2020, girl. If you want to see what's in my bag, keep watching. Let's go. First item I have in my Ipsy bag is this guy right here, and this is the, it says it is the bubble up peeling pad. It is 5 pads in here. It's supposed to be easy to use. They're disposable, and they're dual-sided pads. This is supposed to exfoliate the skin to get you a brightening experience. It removes blackheads by deep cleansing the pores. It's also supposed to be soft and gentle on the skin. So I'm excited to give these guys a try. I probably will do these in one of my Saturday videos when I am doing my skincare routine. So that's something I probably will feature, one of the products. But this is what I got here. So each month Ipsy sends you a bag that all of your goodies comes in, and if you know me, you know I am in love with this bag. Do you guys see this, y'all? I love marble. So when I saw this, I was like, yes. And then the pink detailing with the zipper and the rose gold zipper, the pink, I love it, Ipsy. Oh my God. The next item I received from Ipsy is a Morphe concealer. It is the Morphe Fluided Concealer. Hopefully my camera will focus, and I think it's trying to focus on my face, but let's see. There we go. So it is the Morphe concealer. It is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. I'm super excited to have gotten this because I love a full coverage concealer, and it is in the shade CF 35 Soft Matte. That's what it says. So here is the packaging here, and I'm just going to take this out real quick. I think this will be a good concealer color for me. Comes with applicator here, and I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand because, oh yeah, this is a good shade for me. And here is the concealer there. Hopefully you guys can see that. But this will be and this is why I said it's sometimes you get full size, because this, I believe, is a full size concealer. So concealers usually are full size most of the time. Eyeliners that they send are full size, and also Ipsy sends me a lot of brushes, so I love them for that, and those are also full size. But here it looks like a full size product. The next products I received here is a eyeshadow. It looks like a liquid shadow, and it's by it looks like by Eye Candy, or it says it's Eye Candy, and it seems to be the shade Venus. I'm gonna see, by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Excuse me, that's who it's from. Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Let's see. Oh, Ipsy, I mean, y'all have been giving me some really good products. Oh, this is pretty. So this is another full-size product from Ipsy. Let's see. This is a pretty shade. I'm going to swatch it. It's on a doe foot applicator. And here is the applicator here. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I don't think I've ever used a liquid eyeshadow, so this is gonna be very interesting for me to try. But I definitely will try. I just got to figure out how to work this. But here is the eyeshadow there, and it's very pretty. It's like a fall color. I absolutely love it. I love the shine and the sheen to it. It's very intense, so I'm interested to see how that's gonna work. I'm really excited to try this. The fourth product I see in my bag is another Bella Pierre product. It looks to be a lipstick in the color Ruby, so it seems to be a red lipstick, and I love a good lipstick. And this also seems like another full-size product. This is full size. All right, so that's another full-size product, and here is the shade here. Very pretty red. Ooh, let me see. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. Very creamy. And this is a shine, this is a sheen to it. So this isn't matte, but this is a very pretty red, and I'm okay with it not being matte. That is the red. Ooh, that's pretty. That is a very pretty red, so I can't wait to wear that, y'all. And the last product I received from Ipsy this month is a mask, and it is the Pore Glow Mask. I'm interested to try this one out because I think I've heard of this mask, and it's supposed to be really good for brightening up the skin. And there's sometimes that I just feel like my skin is dull, so I'm really ready to give this a try. But this is the Pore Glow Mask. Well guys, that is it for me. Those were the things that I got this month in my January glam bag from Ipsy. Listen, if you're interested in checking out Ipsy, I will leave the description down there in my leave the link to the website down in my description box for you to check that out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, come on and socialize with me on Instagram. It is Trina Felicia. On Snapchat, it is Trina's Beauty. On Twitter, it's also Trina Felicia. So you guys come on and socialize with me. If you want to see more of these Ipsy unbaggings, make sure you comment down below. Be sure to, again, subscribe to my channel. There's a red button, girl, that says subscribe. Be sure to become part of the Bestie clan. Make sure you turn on that notification so that you can see anytime I upload a video. And until next time, guys and girls, I will see you all in my next video.